What's going on, guys? It's Alex Hammer here of Hammer's Highlights, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use generative fill in Photoshop 2024. Tutorial! So I've got a project open right here, and it's really quite simple. You can just make a selection, and you can make a selection any way you want. I'm gonna, for this example, use the rectangular marquee tool, and I'm just gonna select everything, making a box around everything. You'll notice that the generative fill button comes up. You can hit that, and then a little prompting button comes up, but you'll notice it says optional. You could actually just hit generate. And now I have no idea what's gonna pop up here. Literally have no idea what it's gonna generate. It takes a couple seconds. It gives us three options. This first one is, I don't know, just some kind of texture. The second one is seemingly a Bitcoin in space. And this third one is another kind of texture. I'm not crazy about any of those three, so I'm gonna do a different one where I type in a little prompt, and let's do something kind of simple here. Sunrise. Yeah, like that looks pretty cool. That's a really nice picture of a sunrise. Again, we get three options. Let's say we have this one. You can now make a selection within any generated selection and add new things into it. So I'm gonna make a little box around this like house kind of thing. I'm just gonna type in remove, and you'll notice it's gone. In all three of the options, it does a really good job of removing it. It is pretty simple to use, but you can really do a lot with it, and the possibilities are really as limitless as the prompts you type into it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if there's more tutorials you would like to see, and be sure to subscribe for more Tutorial Tuesdays. I'm Alex Hammer of Hammer's Highlights. See you soon.